Hi guys, welcome to Nam channel. Today is a Christmas collection tutorial. We are going to make this cute little sock together, so let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring, just like this. And then for our first round, we need to do 8 single crochet. We put our hook in this hole and yarn over here. Yarn over once again to make one chain, and then put our hook into this hole, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. This is our first single crochet. We can put a mark in here, and then we need to do 7 more for the first round. Yarn over, go through the 2 loops, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 2 loops. Just repeat it. After the 8 single crochet, we pull this end to close the circle, and then in the mark place here, in the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our mark, put our hook into the first single crochet place, and then yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. So this is our first round, and for our second round we need to do 1 chain first. And for our second round, the pattern is 8 single crochet increase, which means in each stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. We can put this end on top of a hook so we can carry it around. This is our first single crochet. We put a mark, and second single crochet in the same stitch. On that is the stitch we do the slip stitch, and then for the second stitch we do a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we need to do 2 single crochet, and then we just repeat it until the end of this round. So now I have 1 single crochet left. So if you want to do this one, we need to change the yarn color at the very last single crochet we made. But if you want to do just like a single color of this, you just skip it. So for our very last stitch, we put our hook in and yarn over here, and here we want to change to the white color. We grab our white yarn and then press like this, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on our hook, and then we get out our mark and press those 2 yarn in the back, yarn over here to do a slip stitch, go through the loop directly. So this is our second round. For our next round is 16 single crochet. We do 1 chain first and put our hook in, and we can put those 2 ends on top of our hook to carry it. In each stitch we do 1 single crochet. So now is the very last stitch. For this round we need to change the yarn color to the green one. We put our hook in our last stitch here and yarn over just like this, and then we grab another color like this, and then we hold this one in the back and yarn over here, go through the 2 loops at once. And now back to our very first single crochet stitch, this one, to do a slip stitch, and then just go through the loops directly. So now we continue our next round with one chain, and the pattern is the same, one stitch, one single crochet. So now as our very last single crochet in the stitch, we need to change our yarn color, yarn over here, and change to the white color here, and we just go through the 2 loops at once, and then we do a slip stitch to finish this round in our very first stitch here. And then we just repeat the pattern, one single crochet in each stitch. Then in the very last stitch, we change our yarn color. Now it is about changing the yarn color. In our very last stitch, we do a single crochet yarn over here, and then make sure the white yarn is on the back, it's not front, it's back, and then grab the green color, yarn over, go through the 2 loops at once. Now we need to do a slip stitch in the very first single crochet we made to finish this round. Just yarn over here and go through the loops directly. We do one chain first, and then in the very first stitch we do a single crochet. Just repeat it. We need to do this till the round 8. Now it's round 8, and we need to start to make this part. So in the very last stitch here, we need to change the yarn color again. We put our hook in like this. We grab another color, and then press this red yarn on the back, and then yarn over here. We can put this green yarn to tighten them a little bit, and then in our very first stitch, do a slip stitch here, and then pull our hook directly. So for this little part, we need to do one single crochet first. We do one chain, and in the slip stitch, this really small one, we put our hook in. We can carry those 3 yarn on top of our hook, just like this. And then we yarn over, do a single crochet here, and in this place we can make a mark. And then in our next stitch, we need to do a half double crochet. We yarn over, and then put our hook into the next stitch, and yarn over here, go through the 3 loops on our hook. And then next stitch, we need to do a double crochet increase. We yarn over, and then put our hook in the next stitch. We yarn over here again, and then yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over, go through the 2 loops. So this is a double crochet increase, means in the same stitch we do 2 double crochet. So in the same stitch we do 1 more double crochet, yarn over, go through the 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops. Now we can cut the 3 yarn we just carried, and then for the next stitch is a double crochet increase as well. yarn over, put our hook in, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops, then yarn over, go through the 2 loops, then repeat it once again in the same stitch. After the 2 double crochet increase, we need to do a half double crochet in the next stitch. We yarn over and then put our hook in, yarn over here, go through the 3 loops at once. Then next stitch is a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through the 2 loops at once. Now we need to do 1 chain first, and then flip this. So in this stitch, this is the chain we just made. In this stitch, we do 1 chain. Also, you can put a mark in here in the single crochet we just made here. And then next stitch, we need to do a half double crochet, yarn over, and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. And then for the next 2 stitches, this one and this one, we need to do a double crochet decrease. Let me show you. Like yarn over first, and then go in the next stitch, yarn over here, and then go through the first 2 loops. Then we yarn over, go into next stitch, yarn over, go through the 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. So this is a double crochet decrease. We combine those 2 stitches into one, and then we need to do 1 more double crochet decrease. Yarn over, put our hook in the next stitch, yarn over, go through the 2 loops, and then yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over again, go through the 2 loops, then yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. Now we should have 2 stitches, this one and the mark place one. For the next stitch, we do 1 half double crochet, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through the 3 loops. At the mark place, we need to do a single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and finish the single crochet. We do 1 chain, and we can cut the yarn. We can use a needle to weave those yarn inside. So here, this is the chain we made, and in the single crochet place, this one we can also put a mark. So after organize the yarn a little bit, we know where to start. And now we grab our another color in the mark place. We just mark here. We take out our mark. We put our hook in, press this end, yarn over here, and do 1 chain. And here we do a single crochet, and then we need to put a mark in the single crochet place. And for this round, it is the same. We do 16 single crochet. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet. After finish this stitch, we just jump to this one. This green stitch is for this red part. We just jump to the one next to this one. Also, you can cut the white yarn. Jump to this one to do a single crochet. our very last stitch should be this green one, and if you wanna change the yarn color like this, we need to do it here, and then we grab our another color, we press it in the back, and then yarn over here, and then we need to put our mark out. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch to finish this round. And then it's the same. We do 16 for the next round. And if you want to change the yarn color, remember to change it in the very last stitch for this round, like we just did earlier. So if you want the same look like this, after finish this part, we need to do 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, changing the color, one white and one another color. Then we need to repeat the 16 single crochet 2 rounds for this green part, the same color like this. And now I need to change to this color after finish the 5 rounds, the next 5 rounds, and then the very last stitch we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then grab the other color, press this in the back, and then yarn over here, and then in the very first single crochet place we do a slip stitch to finish this round. And then we just repeat the pattern, the 16 single crochet around for the next 2 rounds. Then very last stitch for this round, we just do it normally, we don't need to change the color anymore, and then we just do a slip stitch in the very first single crochet for this round. And to finish this round, we do 1 chain first, and then in the slip stitch we do 1 single crochet, and then each stitch we do 1 single crochet. So after finish the very last single crochet, you can just simply do 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet place, and then do 1 chain and then cut the yarn. But we can do a more like organized way to make this to make here like more flat. We can cut after finish the very last single crochet, we just cut the yarn, and then this is our first single crochet place. We put our hook from the back, put our hook in like this, and then grab this yarn to pull the yarn here. You can see there is line here, and then we just do in our very last stitch for this round. Same here, we put our hook from the back in the center of this stitch, just like this, and then grab this yarn and then drag it a little bit. Now we can see this one, this is the fixed stitch we just made, so it can look like more flat. So this is all about this video. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.